friends, are you ready for a little vlog action? Because that's what's happening today. I'm gonna take you through my crafty weekend adventures. I think this should actually be a pretty fun weekend, so I'm kind of looking forward to it. I have an event at work today, which means I get Monday off, but it also means I have a really fun day today because we are hosting a fabric swap and a me-made clothing swap. Super fun, but of course I put off what I'm gonna bring last minute. So I need to leave by like 11:30 and I need to, that's basically like an hour and a half from now, but I need to go through this and then I need to go through my clothes and I need to figure out what I'm gonna be bringing to the swap. So I'm gonna go through this little cupboard, it's a big cupboard, and I'm gonna find some stuff to bring. So let's do that now. I realized I might need my step stool because, well, I can't reach up there and we're gonna need some of that stuff. So I'll be right back. Step stool procured. This fabric is really nice, but it's just not my color. I can't do this color, so it's gotta go. I also have this like sweatshirting material. I think it's gotta go too. Also discovering things in my stash that I forgot that I had. I'm definitely gonna keep this. Okay, this is the stack we got. Looks good. I feel good about this. It's very heavy. Oh God. Go back. Okay, and now I gotta go through my clothes. So I'm gonna put this aside and I'm gonna get my clothes and then we're gonna, I looked at my wrist as if there was a watch here. There's no wrist. I mean, there's a wrist, there's no watch. Okay, let's go. I got my big bag and I'm off to the swap. So hopefully I can get some footage. I am really excited. I love meeting people and it's gonna be a lot of sewists and makers and just people in the community that I haven't met before and some people that I have met, some people from social media and stuff who are gonna come. So I'm really looking forward to it. So I'll show you how it goes in a second. I've got my little secret stash over here. Look how beautiful this is. I'm really into these reds right now. Look at this. I have so much in here. It's crazy town, but it's great. I'm really excited. Hello, my friends. Let me bring you closer. Okay, so it's the next day. I had the event yesterday. It was a ton of fun. I really enjoyed meeting a ton of sewists. A few of you watching my YouTube channel came up to me and we chatted a bit, and it was just really, really nice to be around like-minded people. I had a really good time. Even though I was working, I was still participating. I donated a bunch of my fabrics, as you saw yesterday, and I was really stoked to get quite a few really nice things. So I'm really happy about it. I really enjoyed it. I would love to do more events like that in the future. It just felt really good. So why don't I get into what I got, and then I think after that I'm gonna tidy up this space and then maybe do a bit of sewing. Okay, I got this really nice squishy gauzy cotton. I think it's like a double-sided cotton. Oh yeah, it's got like this and then this on the other side, so it's double-sided. You can use either side. I believe like this is completely unwashed. I'm pretty sure someone just had it in their stash and never used it, which I always love. That's always a nice find. It's really nice. I kind of want to make, I'm gonna see how much is in this, but I would love to do another zero waist gather top or like a zero waist cropped shirt, which is the one that I made in a couple videos ago. I'll link it in the cards. So I'd love to sew that. I think that could be really fun, or potentially do like that version but in a dress. I just have to see how much is here. I'm not sure. It feels like maybe there's 1.5 yards, 2 yards, maybe 2 yards, but anyways, I really like this. This is from Blackbird. Again, it has the label on it. It's 1 yard. Beautiful. I think this could be a really nice quilt backing. I've been meaning to make a quilt. So this could be a really nice quilt backing. I just love this green. I think it's really stunning. I got this amazing wool. I'm not sure how much is in here. It feels like maybe there's 2 yards. I think I could get a blazer out of this. I think it would be really fun to do the heather blazer. I just think it's so cool. And if there was like enough fabric to do like a matching skirt, how fun would that be? I love this. These are like all the colors I want to wear right now. I'm really into it. And then I got this cotton with like cheetahs on it. Look at this. It's an Indian block print cotton with a bunch of cheetahs all over it. I think she said there was 2 yards here. I love this. I just think this is the coolest. I'm really, really into it. It's like a navy blue with yellow cheetahs. And I have a cheetah on my belly. So it's kind of perfect. Okay, this one I freaked out about. I freaked out. This girl put this down and I immediately was like, oh my God. So it's 3.5 meters Coca Shibori chrysanthemum cotton canvas. It's been washed. Look at this. Just look at this. How absolutely beautiful. This is like gonna bring me to tears. It's so special. I need to come up with the most perfect special project for this. I don't know what it's gonna be. I'm really, really into this. This feels really special. And then, as you could probably tell, like I said, I'm really into this red. Look how cool this is. Like, this is a viscose, I believe. So some people labeled their fabrics, which is really nice. It's 2 meters. It's a viscose. And I just think this would be really cool, very like fun, drapey, maybe like a wrap dress or maybe like a tiered dress, just something like really flowy. I think this is incredible. The other nice thing about working the event was that a lot of this stuff was just left over at the end and we were gonna donate it. So I figured, you know, it's better to take it home than let it be donated. Yeah, there was a bunch of stuff, just like, there were so many people and there was a lot of fabric, and so it was nice to like go through things at the end and then decide what I wanted to keep. Okay, and then I got a few patterns. This is the one I'm the most excited about. Look at this. Let me see, make sure I get the details of it. Look how cool. I love it. I just love the detail on this shirt. This is like a perfect shirt. I really want, maybe I'll make this weekend. Yeah, okay. Anyways, I'm obsessed with this. I also wanted to show you, I got this for like a quilted jacket. Simplicity, vintage. So that was a haul. Now I'm just gonna tidy up my room. It's a mess, let me show you. It's a huge mess. There's just like stuff everywhere. So I'm gonna tidy up my room. So that's gonna be the vibe for today. Oh, and then before, oh my gosh, I can't believe I was gonna just like forget this. Look at this sweater. This is the Petite Knit Anchor sweater. And someone donated this, and her and I were chatting, and she dyed this yarn herself, and it's knit perfectly. The fact that like I have someone else's hand knit sweater feels so special, and getting to meet the person. I don't believe she knit it, but she had it knit for her like yarn business that she used to have. But I love the sleeves are long. My sleeves are never long because I always make them too short. And I never really had an interest in the anchor sweater, but wearing it now, I'm like, oh, she comfy. This yarn is so nice. I love it. I'm so happy. It's so nice to have a hand knit sweater that you didn't like put the effort into. I mean, I love putting in the effort into my sweaters and having something beautiful, but it just feels extra special to like meet someone who dyed the yarn, and like this just feels really special to me. And this is gonna be like a very treasured piece in my wardrobe. So yeah, okay, now that I showed you everything that I got, I am gonna have to tidy my office space because it's feeling a bit hectic. And then once I do that, then I can nicely, peacefully get to crafting. So let's get into it. Sitting on the floor now with all my patterns, and I realized that my paper patterns are absolutely a disaster, and so I need to go through these today, and I need to sort them out a bit better, and I need to actually put, some of them are just like why is this loose? I don't know. Anyways, I need to go through these because I just have paper everywhere and that's just not how I want to live my life. Why? Anyways, let's do that now. So the way that I like to do this is I take these envelopes, they're just like regular envelopes, and I label them. So I'll put like, ideally I put the size that I've made and I put the pattern company and then I put the pattern. That doesn't always happen. What ends up usually happening is I just put the pattern name. Maybe if I'm feeling extra good, I will also put the pattern company. Today that's what we're gonna do because I'm feeling like I need to put that time and energy into it, but that's not normally the case. So I've got the evergreen top and dress here from Les Perlin. So let's do that. Like, look at this whole bundle. Why? Why is this like this? This is just like a random Gilbert top button placket. This is also from the evergreen dress that I just did. Now I have to find that back again. Okay, if I look sleepy, it's because I took a nap. I'm really tired. Because I worked yesterday, I went into the office and I did that event. I'm just feeling very, very, very nappy. My social battery, one thing you might not know about me, if I seem extroverted, I'm not. I'm super introverted and I'm feeling really sleepy because this introvert requires a lot of time and a lot of alone time. And while I can like have such a fun time going out in public and being at events, I need like 2 days to recover. And so today is a recovery day and I don't know if I'm gonna even get to sewing. That's totally okay. I think what I will probably end up doing is just finishing up cleaning here and then maybe doing a bit of knitting and watching a YouTube video while I clean and maybe cut out the thing that I'm gonna sew tomorrow. So I think that's gonna be the game plan. But I'm feeling really nappy, you guys. I had like a 2-hour nap, which was a great call, and now I have a coffee. And yeah, I am enjoying this lazy day though. I am not really feeling like cleaning anymore, but once you get started, you gotta keep going. So it is go time. It is go time. I'm also feeling a little bummed because I was supposed to run my half marathon today and we went to go watch it earlier, which was really, really nice. But I kind of wish that I had been able to run it. When you get hurt, you can't run. And that was what happened 2 weeks ago. I hurt my ankle on a run. It just was an overuse injury. And while it's feeling a lot better now, it was not feeling comfy enough to run on. So I took the break. I was like, okay, it's fine. I'm not gonna run. And I'm getting back into exercising again, but it does bum me out that I couldn't do the thing that I had been working towards, but I'm still making the most of this weekend otherwise. So all that said, chatty, I'm going to start cleaning up more of this room because it didn't look like I did anything in here. Okay. My friends, we have a tidy room. I'm feeling good about it. I'm feeling happy that I actually did it. I feel like I can actually craft in here and make sewing projects and all that stuff. So I'm going to show you what I did. And I will also say that my version of tidy is going to be very different from most people's version of tidy. It just needs to be not on the floor, essentially, is what tidy is for me. There's a lot of things I still want to do with this room. It's not perfect yet. And it will probably take a little while for it to get that way. Why don't I show you what I cleaned up? Maybe I'll show you a little bit of a vision for this space in the future. And yeah, let's do it. I've got all my fabrics. These are like the heavier weight fabrics are like up there at the top. And then I kind of tried to put things that I think I'll reach for soon, like visible. So these are all things that like I think I want to work with soon. These are a lot of the fabrics that I got in the swap and as well as some stuff that I already had. My patterns are all in there. I have to figure out what to do with like my vintage patterns and my print patterns, like physical print patterns and stuff. I don't know yet, but they are at least all organized. And then I've got my little drawers. This is like probably about as organized as it's gonna get, to be honest. I don't know. But it's pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good for me. And then I'll show you my desk as well, because it actually looks pretty good. It's pretty tidy right now. So this is my desk. I'm borrowing my friend's surgery. I have to give it back to her. That's my sewing machine. This is all like pretty tidy, I would say. That cart, chaos. This at least like all my cords are in here, so like I know if it's technology, it's in this. But this, I just need to find a better solution because it just ends up being like a catch-all and I don't love that. And then the other thing I need to figure out is this corner. So this stuff is getting donated, like that's fine. But I think I need to like put my books on like a bookshelf and maybe just not have them in here. Like I would love to have all my craft books in here, but I just don't think that makes sense realistically. So I'll need to get rid of those and then maybe get some like baskets, like nice like aesthetic baskets. And then my plants, I need to hang up some stuff. And then I'll show you what I want to do with this kind of corner. One second. Okay, so we've got a futon here. I want to make a quilt for the futon because it's, I don't know, this is not really like very appealing, and I want to add some like pillows and like make the pillows. And then I want to add some art. I think I need to paint this wall. I can't exactly visualize what I want to do here, but something needs to get done. So yeah, that's it. That's kind of what we've got going on in here. Thanks for watching the vlog. It was fun to do it. I actually really enjoyed it. Maybe I'll try this style of video more. If you like this style of video, please let me know, because then I'll keep doing things like this. It's encouraging to know that people like it. And then if you like this video and you're not yet subscribed, maybe you want to subscribe and you can watch more videos right here. I'll put them right here for you to watch. Have a good one. Bye.